Hello, guys. Today is Friday, April 17th. It is a B day. I found this quote to be fitting. What a year this week has been. I know there's probably a lot of emotions. I know that it has been hard on all of us. We're going on week 5. Next week is week 6 of quarantine, our stay-at-home order, and now we are on it until May 26th. I'm not sure school-wise what's going on. I know schools have been closed, but we are keeping our routine for right now until we figure out more. Anyways, let's get started. So, DLP, independent reading, vocabulary, read aloud, mini lesson, and independent work time today. You will notice that today is a work day. DLP, I'm doing something a little bit different. It's still in forms. You still get a video, but I am only going to be choosing one randomly to grade each week. Some weeks when we have 4, I'm going through and grading 4 times 80. It's just a lot, and I need to focus more on your independent work rather than your DLPs. They're very important. I'm going to choose one randomly. So, for instance, I might choose Tuesdays to grade this week. We did not have school Tuesday. So you don't know which one I'm going to grade. It's going to be Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. So just make sure you do them. They're super easy. They're 5 different questions. Like, it's the easy way to get 5 points for the week. Independent reading time. Make sure you're reading 20 minutes a day. For vocabulary, today we're going to do Quizlet games. I hope that you enjoyed Kahoot yesterday. If you haven't done the Kahoot challenge, go on Thursday's slides and you can click the link and still do it. Here's your read aloud. Remember, it's also in the virtual read aloud. And then also with that, your comprehension questions are on forms. But I'm also going to be choosing randomly one from each week to grade. So just make sure that you're doing them. And then, like I said, I'm just choosing one because 4 times 80 is a lot to go through and make sure that you've done. So we are going to continue on with what we started yesterday, our counterclaim. Okay, so we went through these. I did some sentence starters for you, and then we started writing or drafting our counterclaim. Here are some more sentence starters that you can use, and a checklist for when you're looking at the counterclaim's evidence. So, counterclaim paragraph, you will notice that I have my highlighting done for which one I want it to represent. And then I just went through and highlighted. So today what I want you to do is I want you to make sure that you have every piece of the rubric. Now it's green because I did have a concluding sentence. Just to show, like, wrap it up. And talk about the counterclaim, but then my argument or what my claim was. So that's your independent work time. Draft your counterclaim, use the rubric to guide you, highlight to make sure you have all the pieces. Check in for essay progress. You should be done with your intro, your body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and by the end of the day, you should be done with your counterclaim. Like I said, I will be going through in the next couple of days, starting with introductions, writing little notes, things that you can work on, and then I will move on to body paragraphs. So overall today, DLP, vocabulary practice, read aloud and answer the question, draft your counterclaim, highlight to make sure you have each part, independent reading, and then here is one more thing. I've created a quarantine. I wish my teacher knew. This is all private. So I am not collecting email addresses. I just want to know what you guys are going through and what you're feeling. If things are good, then say things are great. I'm enjoying my time. I'm doing great at school. If things are bad, I want to hear that too. I want to know what I can do as a teacher to make things as easy as possible on you. um, I know this is a very heavy unit, and we will be finishing this up next week, and we're going to be starting poetry the week after. So, poetry is a little more fun and relaxed. But I just want to know if you're not handling the situation, if you're taking care of siblings at home, or if you have family members that are sick and you're worried, and I just want to hear from you. Like, we have a great relationship while we're in class, but I want you to know that outside of your day, I'm also thinking about you and want to help as much as I can. So if you'll please go to quarantine, I wish my teacher knew, and also fill that out today, I would greatly appreciate it. Plus, I love hearing from you guys. My Google Meets, obviously, yesterday nobody showed up. C block, thank you very much. But those are there to connect too, not just to me, but to your classmates. So we don't really talk about assignments. We talk about what you've been doing, funny stories. Like, it's kind of like a CPR sesh for 30 minutes. So if you ever want to join in, you can join in. You can leave when you need to. You can come in late. You can leave early. It's completely up to you. It's just nice to have some familiar faces. So with that being said, my office hours today are from 8 to 9 and 12 to 1. And then today, D block, I have a meeting with you from 1 to 1:30. Hopefully I see someone today. If not, it's okay too. There's a lot going on. So just make sure that you're taking care of yourself. If you have any concerns, questions, email me, write it on the form. You don't have to put your name. If you want, I'll check in with you if you put your name. Just know that I'm here for you, and I will do my best to do what I can to help you.